So hello explorers, welcome to another adventure. Joined from Mike right there. And we know nothing about this building yet, but any information will be found at the end of the video. Look at that. Yeah, I'll put my mask on.
Yeah, it seems nice.
Put this up here. So as you can see, we put masks on because this place has got a lot of mould. Something about sick bay. What was that? What was that? Did you hear that bang there?
It was me.
Oh, okay. Take this light on. That picture. I thought you said something then.
Weird somehow that that's like a blazer. Like usually you see traffies
Yeah.
abandoned in places like this, not like smart toilets.
Might have been left here.
What?
Might have been left here.
No, but it's just weird and this is unusual. Not weird like spooky weird, just unusual.
Yeah.
Yeah, fucking with this mask again.
They're mine.
Could have sworn one of them was there before you got there.
Well, they kind of can't be there till I get there because that's what footprints are. I do footprints.
I know what footprints are. You take that one. Perhaps they were already there.
Cement technology course.
I said that before.
What did you? Like, I haven't listened to what you say. It's, I think that goes like on your belt, on your back, and then the pipe goes up there and attaches to the back of the helmet. See? The back.
Fuck me, it's almost like...
So if you fart, at least it's filtered.
It seems like a lot of protection equipment for surveillance. It's safe in the wall.
I know.
Jesus. Reception, maybe?
Yeah. It's the address in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that needs keys. No, it's just the shelves. It's nothing. Candle stick over.
Outside or...
Yeah, look.
That's weird, right? Like when you see stuff so well. To explain it, isn't it?
That'll be downstairs.
Well, it is, but there's also through there.
Yeah. It looked like a... don't know what it was.
Even the glass guy in there, just the damp you can see.
So that's where we were before. Hope you can hear me with this mask on. You see, even you can smell with these, it does stop particles. So
I'm just saying, you're waving through the mask, you can smell it.
yeah.
Like it shows you, like, imagine what it'd be like without. It's just a lecky meter. So let's go up first.
Yeah.
And then we'll come back on those ones if we do it. Or if it's doable.
Yeah. There's a hole.
Oh shit. Okay, well in that case, let's be very careful. Like the book as well.
I know. Gloomy. Shit. Picture up there. I know, so that one, they're quite nice then.
But the fact that you put it here and there's one in there, so what were people doing in here? They were just lighting it, like they must have been in here after it stopped functioning. So they've just,
And some people
like, maybe people spent the night here and they...
paranormal investigations, whatever, you know.
Just didn't sound too loud.
Where? Oh shit, yeah.
Given the kid, this is what the state of the floors are like. I'm certainly not going through there, I can tell you that.
I'm tempted. Sticking to the left. I'm going to stick to the left. What was that?
What was wrong?
Yeah, like that. Did you fart?
Yeah. You hit it from all the way over there. How many times do you reckon we've been in somewhere and been like, what was that? I thought it was something spooky. There's just one of those like 2 rooms away.
Yeah.
The floors are weird. Just
Stairs,
so
though.
healthy at all.
The stairs, yeah.
I know, just so all weird.
there's some things.
Don't trust anything that ladder is like, nor the loft itself. For that
Well, I'm going to look up anyway. Yeah, so there's not much vandalism.
No. Aside from the downstairs windows being smashed, there's not much.
Probably people trying to get in. I always say you don't want to be the first one in because, you know, you would have had to have broken. And we don't do that.
What?
And we don't do that. We don't break in. It's really nothing.
Really interesting.
No.
I always think it's slightly weird how many times, like how often you find like a small space like this that really couldn't have been used for anything, but it has a window for some reason.
I know.
And always high up as well.
Right, I've seen a picture of a bed in this place. And it's like, this is big. It's just going through a door. Nothing else.
Yeah, but where is that? Where the what door?
Outside.
Oh, right.
I need to look at the layout.
What?
I need to look at the layout
Why?
because I'm sure this it's more. Because look, you know, we came in this way. I think. No,
to tell.
we came in this way. Let's just look around.
Oh, yeah. That's what we do.
Hope it's not too flooded. It's dry.
I was going to say, it doesn't look flooded at all right now.
It's dried. Go down now.
Yeah. This is because of like pictures, which I can.
Oh.
It is still, it's dry for a bit and then it gets flooded again. Massive down here.
Yeah.
It's just a matter of where you put your feet, I think.
Yeah.
Nope, maybe it's not.
How deep?
What?
How deep?
It's not water, it's just
It'll be alright then.
even when you think you're still on something solid, it's so wet down here that the solid has just turned to mush. Oh, look at this nice moth here as well. Hello, friend. You know what? You're much happier to walk through shit than me, so I'll let you lead the way. Yeah, but I mean, it's all this turned to like mushy fucking crap.
Yeah.
Exactly, see what I'm saying? But
See, someone's made a stepping stones. Let's try here first. Hold on. What was that? I heard that like a. Ooh.
yeah, that wasn't me.
I know it wasn't you. You were right there. It's like a groan.
What the fuck was that?
Ooh. Like that?
Yeah, like legit, that was fucking weird as fuck.
I didn't bring any paranormal stuff.
I don't think you can fucking need it.
But I guess we can come back.
What the fuck's name, dude?
I know. That was weird.
Sorry, but that's the weirdest fucking thing we've ever fucking done.
I know.
And yet, we're still here, going deeper. The only way we know.
Shit.
To go down out of here. Oh, fucking.
Whoa. Ugh.
See, this is what I'm saying, dude. It's gross. Like, you don't want to step in this shit. I'm fucking keeping my eyes on that fucking 6 now, and after that.
Wait till you see in here. This is all just paper.
Well, the question is, am I go? I don't think I'm gonna bother going over there if it's that. If you
No, I didn't like step in deeply. You can look around the corner. Get a good picture.
I'll have to go let in past and then.
Nah, there was a fucking groan.
Dude, I know.
I wonder if I picked it up on camera.
Well, this is the funny thing, because I heard it, and I didn't say shit to you, and I knew straight away it wasn't, obviously I knew it wasn't me, but I knew it wasn't you either, because it kind of came from back here, it came from like behind me.
It was close.
And that's why I've been looking behind you ever since, because I'm like, well, like, shit, I don't fucking know, man.
Well, this isn't that deep. Nah, this is alright.
Yeah, but my boots are unreliable recently with regards to like letting water in, so I'm not really just going to be stepping in shitty water, to be quite honest. So, thanks to the fucking stepping stone creators.
Well, it must have been worse then.
Oh yeah. Must have been at least a few inches worse than this. But you know, a few inches makes a difference. So I like to say.
A few centimetres in your
A few
case.
centimetres makes a difference. Oh,
What?
you smell that?
Why you farted again?
No, it followed us. That's what that noise was. My fire followed us. No, you can't smell that. It's like a really hot. It's like, I don't know what it is. It's like I I want to say like sewage, but I don't really know what sewage smells like. But
Shit.
it's not shit though. It's fucking disgusting, whatever it is. But I don't know what it's the smell of. You know what it's almost like?
What?
And I know this is going to sound.
I think I know what you're going to say, go on.
Go on, you guess, and I'll tell you if you're right.
Well, demonic presences give off a horrible smell.
You say the word, because I think you might be thinking what I'm thinking.
Well, they said that demonic presences give off
No,
a smell.
but like sulphur. It's like a sulphur kind of smell.
I don't know what sulphur smells like.
It's like eggs, but really
that's right,
bad. Like rotten eggs, but really powerful. Dude, that's what I can fucking smell.
You sure you haven't farted again?
I do be eating a lot of eggs recently. No,
Oh, wait a second, yeah.
Right, you see?
I can smell it now.
Yeah. Or you smell, I should say.
It's got worse.
This is what I'm saying to you, man.
I know. So much to take pictures of though. Get some good pictures down here though. Goodness.
How did it get so fucking wet? Like, I know that sounds stupid, but like, the amount of damage it's done.
That noise was odd.
That was. But the noise coupled with the smell that came after it as well. Like, the noise was weird enough by itself. The smell, if you hadn't been for the noise, you could just be like, it just stinks.
It might come here again.
But that noise coupled with that smell, like, just a minute afterwards.
Yeah.
And that's what I'm saying, like, it took me a minute to like, place the smell. I was just like, because it's not something you smell all the time, is it?
No.
You know what I mean? It's not like, oh, it smells like cheese, you just know that smell. It's like, you don't encounter like a sulphurous smell often. But once it clicked, I was like, this is going to sound fucking stupid saying this after we just heard that noise, but...
Yeah, no, I know what you mean. So there's we need to get to the other side over there. Oh, there's a bed. Yeah, I found that bed. I told you.
What?
I told you there was a bed.
Oh, shit. If it's a very comfort to you, the first sound you heard was very much my asshole.
I know.
These like old fashioned like window shutters.
Oh yeah. Not there, just there. The inside.
What? Some wine glasses over there as well.
Yeah, there's a few there. Like you see there's some candles there not used.
I guess people maybe do it.
This is covered in
Whatever that
mouse
is.
droppings or something.
I guess there was people staying here at that point. Hence the wine glasses, you know.
There's candles there.
Like you said,
unused.
the unused candle.
There's log candles.
That's what I'm saying. I'm guessing maybe at some point people were staying here. Hopefully not anymore. This lamp's still wrapped in.
I know.
Still wrapped up as well.
We came in that way, didn't we?
What?
Cave in that way. There's more over that way. I think we need to leave and then go round.
Go out and around, maybe.
Yeah. Now we know there's residents over there, so we're hoping not to be spotted. It's a big set of scales.
Yeah.
Does it still work now? All this stuff. Old
Space junk.
Now with these open.
Go on, I've got it.
Yeah, open that, push that thing through. Keep it open.
What are you talking?
The padlock thing there. See that? No, no. You don't know how to use these, do you?
I've never had a garage.
But maybe that will.
It's
It's a staying alright then.
bottles. Side.
I don't know. I wonder what the date is on there. Oh no, lawnmower. Into the nest. What did I say? You've never used one of those before?
Why would I have?
It's a fucking lock.
Yeah, I don't know, but I've never seen it used in this capacity, is what I'm saying.
You got it. Loads of cages. Got it. No, this one doesn't have a handle.
Well, screw it then. It's not going to be anything terribly interesting. No. Oh, that's like an army jacket, look on the sleeve.
Oh shit, yeah.
Or like some kind of military thing, yeah.
I think grey is navy, isn't it?
Huh?
Wait, navy? Oh, Air Force.
Is that what it says on the book?
No, it's got a, like a bird. Look.
Or like wings. Maybe someone watching knows what the like insignia all means.
Yeah. Navy jacket? No, I say navy, I mean Air Force. What's this? Something over there.
Yeah, I know.
Something tanker thingy over there. Again, like listening for the predator. Jungle. What is that?
I don't know. I don't know if it's a property that's being used though, because just on the other side of the
Yeah.
It's the roof of a
Steamroller or
some
something?
type of machine, yeah. You know what though? Look how low this is. This obviously goes further down, right?
Yeah.
This roof is a bit low, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it must go further down than this.
I think there was a door on this side.
The way a tree is grown right in front of it.
I know. See, it goes around the other side. Maybe we should go back.
What?
Maybe we should go back.
What we've done anyway, haven't we? Seen it?
Yeah. We don't know what this is.
I don't know what that is, to be honest.
Seems to be open. So that's like a road, like maybe a private road or something.
Right.
But it's this long. But this garage here, the shutters are up a little bit. But yeah, public road, so
It's, don't know if you want to mess about there.
we'll leave that one. It's like it was kept, you have a toilet brush or something.
What?
It's like there's a toilet brush there. Let's get a picture here. Yeah, I'll check it out. It might be to the other door on downstairs.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. That door's like the other side of where we were.
The one that was the staircase we found inside.
Yeah. So I guess that's the end of this explore. Hope you've enjoyed it. Oh, take my mask off. Well, I hope you enjoyed that explore, and see you on the next one. Goodbye.